I just logged into one of my girls' apps just to show you and so I could see for myself what your view looks like of the First Form app. And so let me show you how to find everything when I message you, when I send you announcements, where you should upload your pictures, where you should check in, where you should track exercise, etc., etc., etc. If you have any questions after this, please do me a favor, send me a message. This is what your dashboard looks like. You must meet your nutrition and get all those green check marks. If you scroll down, there's live stream videos. These are extremely educational. You should take a look at them. Click on Axe Sharpening. It'll give you some motivational quotes to go through. Go back, scroll down. Now click on My Week in Review. This will show you what your week looks like. This will actually show you the view that I have because I can see if you're tracking your calories. And as you can see here, this person is not tracking all the calories, and that's what I can see. All the water is not tracked, the workouts are not tracked, and at the bottom is where you can weigh in. And then at the bottom, you can also, here you go, send me a message. Click send message, and then I'm going to receive it so we can have a one-on-one private conversation. Go back to the dashboard, scroll down. This is where you can also join the First Form group. That's not my group. That's the First Form group. Click on chat, and this is where you will see our conversation. That's private between you and I. Then click on more, and it'll bring you the main menu. And you can scroll down. This is where you add your workouts. You can either do my workouts or add the app workouts. Look at where it says announcements right there. That is where you will find all my announcements. I send announcements every day. That way you can stay motivated and know what to do. And you'll see I share videos. I'm going to start sharing more nutrition information. I want to make sure I teach you that you have to track all your calories. I teach you how to keep it simple and so on. And you see how she has all her check marks. Look on the upper right, 3 little dots. Click on that. You can copy the entire day. You can create a recipe. You see she entered all her food, and then she could copy into the next day. Click on more. You can find my advisor information. You can find my Facebook group, my personal Facebook, Instagram, where the YouTube workouts are. Click menu again. You'll find this is where you take the assessment. This is where you put your photos. So take your time to go through all of this because there's a lot of helpful information. You can create your own custom meal plans, new recipes, new meals. You could save everything in here so that way when you go and track your food, it's just boom, boom, boom by adding everything in, okay? So play around with this, get familiarized with this app, learn how to track your food, learn how to save your food so you don't have to keep re-entering food. This app, honestly, is the best tracking app I have ever used in my life. Look at all the live stream videos. You can spend some time going through all of these instead of watching Netflix. This is your education. This is for you to be motivated. This is where you take pictures. I'm back on the dashboard. This is where you enter your weight. This is where you can enter your inches if you want. You see it says what to do for daily tasks, and it also says what to do for weekly tasks. So if you're ever wondering what you need to do, just look at the dashboard. I hope this helps.